a very long time well spent and lesson learned. 4 good seasons spent by Shooting Stars in the Nigerian National League. 3 seasons spent by Niger Tornadoes. They are back again to where they belong, and it's the Nigerian Professional Football League, the top flight Nigerian football. Let's get set for another match day 27 with 10-3 points. Consistency and a lot of drama. Offside will be facing. Going straight to the lineup of the Shooting Stars facing Niger Tornadoes in this game. Goalkeeper remains Ogundare Dayton. And that's, we'll see them not official in this game. Very much important. But they will be surely available for the next game away from home. As our concentration extends now for Moses. Oh, Moses! And it's perfectly taken this time around. With just 6 minutes of action. Wales can stop it from scoring. He scored against the Imba Football Club. And once again he has put his name on the score sheet. Goalkeeper had no chance and he's beaten it.
And once again, a Madrid making warm. And last time out, he got a goal against him, but this time around, he's doing the same.
Just need to cover the chances that come in. They still have enough time to play before halftime. Garland Fake now. It's a beautiful pass. And down that lead by Cotonel. A goal from Moses. Separating the two sides. Niger Tornadoes now from the flank now. At the hand. Good interception there by the defender of the Shooting Stars. Cleared away by Isaac Motu. Trying to locate Emmanuel Lucky. Raymond, this side have been playing even from the Nigerian National League. No draw recorded. It's a disappointing one, but as it stands now, I'm very much sure. They want to better! Ibuka! Okoanyete should have done better even before Ibuka. But that was a very weak strike there from Ibuka. Shooting Stars should have done better than that. Smile on the face of the fans and the government as well, who is doing everything to support this team. No problem for Ibuka for a clearance. Oh, I've been playing perfectly well in this game. He looks very much dangerous. And for the very first time, he not created any single shot on target for themselves, despite the fact Shooting Stars are losing ball possession very cheaply to their hands. Now it's the turn of Garland Fake. Now 3 to be 2 now. Chance now for Lucky. This should be 2 for Lucky. Oh, on heads. Only want to find me again. Lucky again.
On his own debut, where he had chances and of course lost them. He's coming back to haunt him again. He's got 2 chances, 2 clean chances now. He has refused to take it. I mean, these are chances we expect to kill games like this. And you can hear, see the fans' reaction. They're not happy. Some are sad with that display. They put them up for a way. It's called the Shooting Stars so far. And of course, lovely one for Garland Fake.
He should have done better, buried one, and by now we should have been talking by Shooting Stars leading by 2 goals to 0. But as it stands now, they're still trying to maintain that 1 goal lead, but very much disappointed to see them still struggling.
And if Tornado,
couple of chances created all before now. Only one converted chance now. And the flag is up already. You can see the reaction from the fans. Almost. And Apollo gives it out to Niger Tornadoes. Return again by Garland Fake. Okoanyete now for Shooting Stars. It's a lovely dazzle right now. Apollo Femi tips it forward now for Emmanuel Lucky. It's a foul surely. An advantage Shooting Stars.
and he can definitely do better. A chance.
Niger Tornadoes may just struck the heart of the fans of the Shooting Stars. They have 1 minute plus before halftime now. Tornadoes still not relenting. If possible, they can bring them. They're trying to hard to the tally. Ebuka head in. And no good follow-up from the strikers of the Shooting Stars. And give advantage for a very easy catch for George Michael. Facilitating in front, and it's been given advantage for the Shooting Stars defenders to operate perfectly well. Emmanuel Lucky can now put pressure now. It's down. And once the referee decision, it should be a free kick. Goes. The second approach into this game is looking very much good, and goalkeeper Gundari Dayton is there to make a very easy catch for himself. And return Shooting Stars to attack once again. Galifake doing what perfectly. Locks it forward again. And not
Gets a goal. For him now, view.
flash.
Lovely floated in, but straight to the arm of the goalkeeper.
Okay. Pass to Ayo! What a save by goalkeeper! Good volley by Ayo! They're still not relenting. If possible, they can add to the tally. It's a lovely pass. It should be through. My goodness me! The woodwork to the rescue. Shooting Stars are just unlucky. They are just unlucky. They should have scored 2-3 in this game.
Yeah, you can see that again. What a chance for Malama Taufik. I mean, he had the goalkeeper alone to beat, but then he couldn't beat the goal.